Mama Judy get the trailer unlocked, we'll be ready to go. Get ready for the big day, qualifying day. Go ahead and see if we can't get one of these water pump belts we got last night. If you hadn't watched our last video, slung a water pump belt off yesterday. Didn't have one here, so I had to go find one, search out in the Florence, Dillon, South Carolina area last night so we get this thing to fit. Had a fast hot rod yesterday, so if you haven't watched our practice video, go check it out. I ain't gonna say right now, but you know, sometime soon. I have a winner on our first one, hopefully. Just that alternator. Man, GXS owner Stephen Dunn putting on the Racing America logo. They came on board with us this weekend. They're gonna be televising. $24.99 you can watch tomorrow. Now we got the water pump belt fixed. I'm gonna spend the next hour doing tires, see if I can't get the right stagger. Ton of cars here.
All right, get working tonight.
Driver meeting ran a little long. We in a bigger rush to get ready for first practice. Gonna scuff these race tires in. Tyler finishing up the stagger on them now, so we'll scuff these things in, and second round we'll make us a mock run. See if we can get that top 20. As always, we're running behind nice warm GXS wrap hoodie, so got my Racing America hat they brought to me, brought me a beanie, t-shirt. So like I said, again, you can watch the race tomorrow, $24.99 by the time you see this. Just skip Applebee's after church, ham sandwich. Come watch us run 100 laps tomorrow. We're gonna make it in today. I hope. We're gonna give her damnedest. Got my lucky Yoo-Hoo socks on. Hope you got good luck in these things always. So put my lucky Yoo-Hoos and Slim Jim type socks on. So hopefully using all the luck we can getting that top 20 today.
No strings out of it, Ed.
It's 10th fastest in practice, so tickle pink. Wish the car handled as good as it did yesterday, but these tires way different. Got to stick it on the flat to get it to take off. No drive off the corner, so we're gonna work on that. See if we can't get the stagger up. But thrilled, real happy. Man, I'm happy. Top 10. Let's go. give us more, turn in the center. So hopefully we know we can lay down a fast lap. So we ended up, after everybody was done and went back out, we ended up 16th. So we dropped a little bit, but still in that top 20. So hoping it drives as good as it did yesterday, just with the tire adjustment. So we'll go back out, we're gonna make a mock qualifying run and hope for the best. Went out and made a mock run. My videographer, my Mama Judy, she was going to get us some barbecue. I wanted to thank all the guys for all their hard work this week. So had some barbecue catered in, so she had to go pick it up. But I don't know if I'll have any video whatsoever, maybe some in car. But anyway, we timed in around 10th. I think it was 10th to 12th. We may have failed a little bit since practice is over with, but that did not feel as good as the first practice. So we weren't able to clean the tires off like we would have liked to have. Stuff you get done qualifying, you got to simulate it in practice. So, I mean, we're still happy, no doubt about it. Just pressure is really, really on now, So we got to roll across the scales, and it'll be time. We've been talking about this for months. You got to make the top 20. We've been talking about it for days, especially on social media. It's time to put up or shut up. So we'll shut up right now and eat some barbecue. What you got going on today, Mama Judy? You done lit it up in here.
We got coleslaw, we got hush puppies, we got barbecue, we got mac and cheese.
We got it all. Hush puppies, mac and cheese, boy.
Y'all gonna be fighting over the bathroom?
Some baked beans.
Yeah.
We got some more.
Got enough coleslaw to feed a cult.
It's okay.
And some Slim Jim and some Yoo-Hoos. Gonna be fed.
I got me.
Mama Judy always taking care of everybody.
I have hot sauce.
Pull that barbecue off. Let's take a peek at that. Oh yeah, about to be on
I
now.
talked to a man that was from Wisconsin that eats barbecue, and every time they come to race here, they always go to this barbecue
Schuler's.
place. Yes.
Schuler's and I don't know. I guess Dylan.
They always make it their stop. They eat dinner though, because the dinner menu you have ribs, you have barbecue.
So they always go to Schuler's. So we went to a good spot. Yeah. Went to figure out what we're gonna have tomorrow for race day. I got 100 laps. Salads.
I don't know. We're gonna have to have salads. We don't need them race day.
Got one of our best followers, Isaac. What you got, Isaac? What you got? Oh man, look at that there. Looking like the one now. Almost identical. Appreciate you very much, Mr. Isaac. All your support, brother. You and your dad. I had to go across the scales. We're good at the scales, so gonna set the sway bar now and we'll be ready for qualifying to level this place here at Dillon Motor Speedway.
Smells like fresh wood and barbecue in here.
Sound like the brakes was dragging a little bit in that last practice. Tyler taking a look at it before we go out.
I'm understanding a couple of cars, unless they've been able to do some work, that I was talking with in the pits.
It's time to go qualifying. I am nervous as hell. Like, hands shaking, I'm so dang nervous. Just need to make that top 20. Really don't want to be around many people right now. Just kind of be to myself. So looks like we're going out about 10th, which is what we wanted to do. So see what happens.
Adam Gray and his team, the Thomas Ryland Teddy Bear Motorsports team.
.980. Chris Minders, he has been bumped in the car number 57. Jim Storis in the car number 22.
Gresham Motorsports Park. He's been racing for 12 years. He's ran at Tri-County, Crisp, North Wilkesboro Speedway, Hickory, second attempt at the New Year's Bash in the Kick and Asphalt Boo Meredith Battery 00 machine. Boo Carlisle. Had some smoke come from that Camaro, Allen, but then all of a sudden he's right back to speed. And again, Storrs is on the bubble.
And Boo Carlisle, he's going to want to pick it up a lot right now. Only 22nd quick. That's the slowest of all the qualifiers. He thought he had a top 10 qualifying car. That's the Camaro. As we said, all versions of Camaros here from the 1980s. 19033, and Boo Carlisle struggling mightily in that car, and he will not bump his way in. So Jim Storrs still.
No other way to say it, just heartbroken. So, I don't know why. We'd have backed up our qualifying mock run from earlier. We'd have qualified 12. And we qualified like 54. So we're gonna check everything. We got cylinder number 3 and 4 is cold when we put tire temp gauge on it. So about to do a whole overhaul of the top of the motor and see if we can't figure out what it is. Maybe starting the last chance race tomorrow, see if we can race our way in. So like I said, it's heartbroken.
I got a big one. I ain't gonna have time again. There's nothing to that.
Well, after changing this and changing that, changing damn near everything, so distributor, plug wires plugged, we got the excuse me, Coors Light. We got the temp back up, so they will fix the problem. The only problem is now we got to start 27th in the last chance race. So it's a big day tomorrow. Ain't no other way to do it. You're going to have to make our way through 25 laps, unless they do split the last chance races up. Sometimes they'll do 2. They'll take the top 3, but right now it's one last chance race, 25 laps, taking the top 6, and we'll be starting next to last or dead last, one or the other. And I understand, right now we'd be like 27, but I get it. A lot of them ain't gonna run last chance race. We ain't built like that. We ain't quitters. If we got it fixed, we'll try our damnedest. So Racing America tomorrow, $24.99. Starts at 2 o'clock. We'll be in the first, or the only last chance race as of right now, unless promoter Ron Barfield changes his mind. It does too. So $24.99. You watch tomorrow on Racing America with a one-time fee, and see if we can come to the front. 27th to 6th. Hell, ain't nowhere else to go but up. But thank you very much for watching. Big heartbroken night. So we would have qualified 12th with our practice time, but coulda, woulda, shoulda. Y'all know what to do. Thank you for the support. Comment, like, subscribe. Cheers. Next time. Later.